everyone, it's Adi, and I'm thrilled to bring you this step-by-step guide on starting an online store. Whether you're a craftsperson, artist, or just someone with a creative knack, this video is tailor-made for you. With the potential to earn a steady income doing what you love, it's time to turn your passion for handmade goods into a profitable venture. So let's get started. Section 1. The Power of Handmade Goods. There's something truly special about handmade goods. The love, dedication, and attention to detail that goes into each piece is simply unmatched. Today, people are actively seeking unique and personalized products, and that's where your creative skills can shine. By starting an online store selling handmade goods, you'll be offering something truly one-of-a-kind to customers worldwide. Section 2. Identifying your niche. Before diving headfirst into your online store, it's essential to identify your niche. Are you passionate about knitting cozy apparel, painting whimsical illustrations, or creating stunning jewelry? Find your niche and let your creativity flourish within it. Remember, finding something you genuinely enjoy will make the whole process more fulfilling and rewarding. Section 3. Creating your brand. Now that you've discovered your niche, it's time to create your brand. Define your brand personality, choose a captivating name, and design a logo that truly represents your style. Your brand should reflect your unique selling proposition, setting you apart from competitors and establishing a strong presence in the market. Section 4. Setting up your online store. Setting up your online store is easier than you might think. There are numerous platforms available, such as Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce, that cater specifically to handmade goods sellers. Choose a platform that aligns with your needs and start building your virtual storefront. Customize it to match your brand aesthetics and make it visually stunning. Section 5. Product photography and descriptions. Product photography plays a crucial role in attracting customers to your online store. Invest time and effort into capturing high-quality and eye-catching images that showcase your products in the best possible light. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight the unique features, craftsmanship, and personal touch behind each item. Now that your online store is up and running, it's time to spread the word. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest to showcase your products, engage with potential customers, and build a loyal following. Collaborate with influencers or reach out to relevant online communities to increase your store's visibility. Section 7. Fulfilling orders and customer satisfaction. As orders start pouring in, it's vital to nurture great customer relationships. Ensure prompt and professional order fulfillment, offering exceptional customer service at every step. Go the extra mile in packaging your items beautifully and including a personalized note to create a memorable unboxing experience. Happy customers will not only return, but also spread the word about your amazing handmade goods. Section 8. Scaling your business. As your online store begins to flourish, it's time to think about scaling your business. Explore new product lines, experiment with different marketing strategies, and optimize your store for increased conversions. Consider attending craft fairs, collaborating with local boutiques, or even launching your own website to expand your reach and take your handmade goods business to the next level. Section 9. Embrace the journey. Starting an online store selling handmade goods is an exciting journey filled with creativity, challenges, and endless possibilities. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with passion, perseverance, and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit, you can turn your handmade goods into a thriving business venture. Embrace the journey, stay true to your craft, and watch your dreams come to life.